Want to unlock the secret weapon that separates thriving businesses from those that struggle in today's digital world? That weapon is Trustpilot, and in the next minute and a half, we'll break down exactly how it's used. First and foremost, Trustpilot provides a powerful platform for businesses to proactively collect customer reviews. Think of it as a digital suggestion box, but instead of just hoping for feedback, you can actively invite customers to share their experiences, both good and bad. These reviews aren't just for show, they're the cornerstone of building trust and credibility. Why? Because potential customers are far more likely to trust the opinions of their peers than they are to believe a company's marketing claims. By showcasing a high volume of authentic, positive reviews on Trustpilot, businesses can demonstrate their commitment to customer satisfaction and establish themselves as reputable players in their industry. But Trustpilot's usefulness doesn't stop there. It's also a treasure trove of valuable insights. Businesses can analyze customer feedback to identify areas where they're excelling and, more importantly, areas where they need to improve. This feedback loop allows businesses to refine their products, services, and overall customer experience, leading to greater customer loyalty and ultimately, increased sales. In essence, Trustpilot empowers businesses to take control of their online reputation and use customer feedback strategically to drive growth. So, are you ready to harness the power of Trustpilot?